On your mark.
I've got the white.
Get set.
Yes, you do have white.
Go.
Well, you were all ready for the picture.
It happens.
Oh, thank you, Bill.
Sure.
Woo! Saying there's a guardrail there. You'd have a head on otherwise. Hey Jeff, you should have held him up a little while longer. I could have got back on the same length.
That wasn't anything.
Holy cow, everybody's off.
I think I got it down. It goes right off. We've been planting a forest on the digital truck. Oh, you are? We should, before we nail these trees down, we should probably have everybody race and see what the corner mark is.
You're gonna have to do some clear cutting.
That's
He's
right.
lost in the trees. I can't reach
Right.
him.
Can't see the forest for the trees, huh? You're gonna have things hidden in the trees too? We have to go searching for them? Oh, God, I made it through there unscathed? Amazing. Thank you,
How
Mommy.
did you do that?
I don't know, you rolled right over the top of my car. Oh! Made the jump, Jeff, made the jump.
Do it too many times, we'll just sit here.
That was a big off, Dave. What happened there?
Oh!
Oh,
Lonnie, you did it to me again.
You need more rum balls.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, that's one way to get it through.
I think I lost the lap.
Yeah, don't take it from me because he didn't come through on my leg.
Oh, jeez.
I got it off the leg,
across
but
the
I don't know what happened there.
Too many rum balls for you.
yeah, I guess. You rolled
I
up
thought
on me,
I'd
come
fly.
back,
That was
actually,
intentional,
I'm
so she
underneath
crossed
your
the line there.
Yeah, I see that.